Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 essential Linux commands that every beginner should know. These commands will help you navigate through the terminal with ease and you'll be able to perform various tasks, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. First up, we have the pwd command. PWD stands for Print Working Directory. This command will display the current directory you're working in. This command is handy when you're working on a project with multiple files and you want to know the current location of the files. To use this command, simply type pwd. Enter. The terminal will display the current directory you're working in. In this case, we hit pwd and we'll see we're working in the / which is the root directory. Next up, we have the LL command. LL Cool J, no, not a LL Cool J. This command stands for long listing and it's used to display a detailed list of files and directories in the current directory. The current directory in right now is root, like I said. The long listing shows various attributes of each file, such as permissions, ownership, and size in modification time. This command is particularly useful if you want to view the contents of the directory and get more information about the files. To use this command, you simply type, let's go, LL. Once you type LL, the terminal will display a detailed list of files and directories in the current directory. So we're in the root directory and we did a long listing, which is LL, and it displayed all these directories and files in the root directory. Now moving on, let's talk about the CD command. The CD command stands for change directory. This command is used to navigate between directories. To use this command, it's a simple command. You just type CD followed by the name of the directory you want to navigate to. So in this case, we're going to look at the temp directory. We want to navigate to the temp directory, so we're going to go CD TMP. Now we're in the temp directory. This command will change your current directory to the temp directory. So when we did the CD temp, we went from the root directory, which is here in this prompt right here, to the temp directory. Last, we have the clear command. This command is used to clear the screen. So if you want to clear the screen, to use this command, you just simply type clear. Bam! So the whole screen is cleared, right? So like, say if you still want to see the work you've done previously, all you have to do is scroll up and there's everything. So these are the 4 essential commands that every beginner should know. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Linux tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, before we end, first of all, I appreciate you getting this far, but also put in the comments if you want me to make a video on how to create a Linux virtual machine in Azure, and also put in the comments if you want me to show you how to use MOBA Xterm to access that virtual machine in Azure. Like I said again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.